I truly believe some people lack the common sense required to even leave their house, much less go on a cruise. For an example, if you are unaware that the sun might give you a sunburn. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And we're going to be talking about some dumb, just dumb cruise comments that cruisers actually write in. They actually believe they're right. And all it really does is show a complete lack of common sense and adult thinking ability. This is a switch from what every cruiser wants to what is the dumbest thing a cruiser could possibly say. Because we have a comment today about someone who went out in the sun, who got a sunburn, and of course, you know it's the cruise line's fault that they got that sunburn. The cruise line did it to them because there was no warning signs. Nobody told them this could possibly happen. And unless you've lived in a dark cave your entire life, how do you not know the sun can do this? Maybe it's just me and I overestimate the people around me. But I want you guys to take a listen to this comment. This is going to be from Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald, talking about a cruise passenger who said, well, you didn't warn me that the sun could be hot.
Talking of medical, well, I was on the Sunshine, says this lady, for an 8-day cruise. This is just 2 weeks ago. When we left Norfolk, it was very cold. 2 days it took the boat to get to Half Moon Key. When we got there, it was much hotter, but there were no announcements. I got an extreme sunburn with a blister on my shoulder. It was agony the next day. I went to the ship hospital, and the Carnival nurse said on the ship that I would have to pay an amount of money for any after sun treatment. I was on a Carnival property when I got this sunburn. There was no water spritzer bottles to cool the skin. There was no shop to buy sunblock. Carnival's refusal to help me was wrong. There were not any warning signs anywhere. If you look at the sun very closely and wearing sunglasses, you will see the words "choose fun" written right through the middle of the sun. Okay, listen, it's an awful thing, and I do feel very sorry for this lady. Sunburn is an extraordinarily painful thing. I had it once back when I was okay about showing off this body to people on a beach. If I do it now, people wearing Greta Thunberg t-shirts just try and push me back into the water. And sun cream is not very nice, right? It's either too thick or too runny, but if you're from Cleveland, Ohio, and you're going out into the sunshine, even in January in the Caribbean and the Bahamas, please put it on. Please, please put it on. If you do go down to the medical center and you ask them, of course they're going to give you help, but they're going to charge you. They're going to charge you. And this is where I say again, cruise insurance is not needed until it absolutely is. Please, everybody, put sun cream on. Take care of yourself. Put that Factor 97 Cleveland Tropical Yak Essence sun cream to protect yourself.
Now, we've seen this type of comment before. People claiming that they had no idea that they could possibly get a sunburn if they go out into the sun. Now, while I will admit that going into the Caribbean for the very first time, the sun, it is different than it can be anywhere else. You can get burnt a lot quicker. It does feel like it's a lot brighter and stronger on some days. I understand that. But then you turn around and say, hey, you know what, cruise line, you know what, Carnival, this is all your fault. There was no sign that said the sun could give me sunburn. There was no warning anywhere that it could be hot and I could turn red. Because apparently at no point in their life have they ever been outside while the sun is up enjoying the day. Now, clearly, they were unprepared. Guess there was no sunscreen put on. There was no, hey, I might get some sunscreen aloe vera cream and just in case it happens. They didn't bring that stuff with them. So now they say nothing was available for purchase because we all know they don't sell anything like that on cruise ships, right? I mean, those stores that are on cruise ships, they wouldn't have that sort of, oh, well, wait a minute. Yeah, they do. They do sell it on board the ship. But Celebration Key is Carnival Cruise Line's property, and well, they don't sell anything there. Really, there's no shops that sell any kind of products like that on the entire island. I got to question that one too. But you got to play the victim. Carnival owns the ship. It's their fault. This is Carnival's private island. So obviously it's their fault. It happened on their property. The fault's not mine. It's only the cruise lines. You got to love that victim mentality. Don't have to have common sense. You just have to play the victim and blame it on somebody else. Then they go down to medical, and of course they're told, well, yeah, we can help you, but it's not gonna be for free. Then it's, my gosh, how could you possibly want to charge me for something that's not my fault? It's not like I did anything other than go on vacation and look at this sunburn. What are you going to do to make it right? I'll just say, look, honestly, if you are too dumb to realize the sun could give you a sunburn, is that anybody else's fault other than yours? You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think? And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.